show you guys how to activate the glutes. Welcome back. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a YouTube video. I'm well aware, and my apologies. I have been very busy making content on TikTok, which has been growing exponentially. So if you don't follow me on TikTok, you should. You would love it, the content that I've been making. I dropped the link in the description box. I've also been pretty heavy on Instagram as well. Those have been like my biggest time consumers, is TikTok and Instagram more than anything. So if you're looking for more content, more quotes, motivation, inspiration, funny stuff, tips, all that good stuff revolving around health, fitness, and nutrition, then make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Both are linked in the description. So with no further ado, let me get into it. It is 2021. This is my first video of 2021. I'm super excited to do it. I'm in the middle of my virtual coaching program with my ladies, my virtual Fit and Thick program, which I will be reopening probably within the next month or so. So you guys will hear details on that, on how to work with me virtually. But I'm just leaving the gym, and I thought it would be awesome to put together a video of glute activation exercises. Today was glute and leg day for me. I did about 10 different exercises / machines, and I always prep and do glute activation beforehand. And yeah, I wanted to take some time to show you guys how to activate the glutes. Now, what glute activation is, because I'm pretty sure that might be a question that some of you guys have. Glute activation is basically prepping your muscle fibers for growth and for working out in a more intensive and a more in strength training, essentially. So what it does is it gets your blood pumping to the appropriate muscle groups beforehand. So it's kind of like a warm-up for your muscles. So say if it's leg day, or it's glute day. Let's go to glutes. What I would do is I would start to warm up and get blood flowing into my gluteus maximus, minimus, and medius. That way, once I get to whatever it is, squats or the Smith machine or the leg press machine, my muscles will already be prepped, which is good because it's also going to help alleviate injury and me straining myself, but it's going to help with growth as well, right? So that is a big plus, because the reason a lot of women do strength training is for growth and strength. So you want to get the blood flowing and warm up those muscles ahead of time, and it's really going to help you exponentially. So I'm going to give you some workouts that you guys can do at home. You could do at the gym right before you really jump into your regimen, into your workout routine, and these are going to help you see awesome results. If you guys have any questions, make sure you drop them in the description box below. Let me know how you guys have been in regards to your journey. Any questions, concerns you guys may have, successes, all of that. I'd love to hear it. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it and see what we're working with. All right, so we are going to get started with my Brilliance cloth booty bands. You guys see me wear these all the time. I swear by these, and I sing the gospels of these all the time. These are awesome for home and gym workouts, and these are going to help you exponentially, sis. And I also have rolled out my elastic bands as well. So these are the more traditional kind that you guys are probably used to. It's going to help with more range of motion as well, to really get the whole muscle fiber going, right? So these come in extra light, light, and medium, and these come in light, medium, and heavy. So I will link these below, and these will take your workouts to the next level.
That's good.
guys enjoyed those workouts, those glute activation workouts, and I hope you find them valuable. I would implement them for any leg day before any glute day to really get those muscle fibers going, so you can really start to see the growth that you really want to. And I believe once you start adapting a glute activation warm-up, it will make a big difference for you, and you will see a noticeable difference in your growth within your lower body assets. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Let me know which one is your favorite, which one have you been doing already, which one is a new one to you. And make sure you guys go check out the booty bands, because these are going to take everything up a notch for you. Right? In 2021, we coming for all the goals. All the goals. So you make sure you have these, and these are going to also really put you in a place where you can see the results that you've been waiting for. So without further ado, I will let you guys go, and I will see you guys next video.